Ever wonder if there are animals out there that defy our understanding of nature? The world is a vast and diverse place, teeming with creatures that challenge, surprise, and even bewilder us. The animal kingdom is a realm of endless possibilities, a testament to the power of evolution and the enduring spirit of life itself. Take a moment to ponder over the sheer variety of life forms that share this planet with us. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, each creature is a marvel in its own right, perfectly adapted to its environment and lifestyle. But among these multitudes, some stand out. These are the animals that go beyond the norm, the creatures that possess abilities or characteristics so extraordinary, they seem to have been plucked straight out of a science fiction novel. Consider, for instance, the immortal jellyfish that has the power to reverse its aging process, or the mimic octopus that can imitate the appearance and behavior of other sea creatures to avoid predators. Then there's the lyrebird, a creature with the uncanny ability to mimic almost any sound it hears, from a chainsaw's roar to a camera's click. Each of these creatures defies our conventional understanding of what it means to be an animal, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible in the natural world. In the next few minutes, we're going to take you on a journey to meet these unusual animals and learn their extraordinary stories. We'll delve into the science behind their unique abilities and explore what they can teach us about the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an adventure that will take us into the deepest oceans, the densest jungles, and the most remote corners of the world. This is not just a journey of discovery, but a celebration of the wonder and mystery that is the animal kingdom. Prepare to embark on a journey into the extraordinary as we unveil these mysterious creatures. Imagine being able to live forever. Sounds impossible, right? Meet the immortal jellyfish. This tiny, transparent creature, barely visible to the naked eye, holds a remarkable secret. Its scientific name is Turritopsis dohrnii, but it's more commonly known as the immortal jellyfish, a name earned by its seemingly supernatural ability to defy the very laws of biology. Now let's dive into the life cycle of this extraordinary creature. Unlike most animals that age and die, when the immortal jellyfish reaches maturity, it doesn't sign off. Instead, it has a rare trick up its sleeve. It can revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew, essentially granting it immortality. The process is like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar or a frog becoming a tadpole again. Where would you find such an extraordinary creature? The immortal jellyfish is a citizen of the world, found in temperate to tropical regions in all the world's oceans. They begin life as tiny larvae known as planula before growing into polyps and eventually full-fledged jellyfish. Now you might be wondering what this means for science. The implications of the immortal jellyfish's unique ability are vast and potentially life-changing. By studying this creature, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of cellular regeneration and apply this knowledge to human medicine. Imagine the possibilities: reversing the effects of aging, healing injuries, and perhaps even conquering diseases that currently have no cure. The immortal jellyfish is a testament to the wonders of nature and its ability to adapt and survive in the most unexpected ways. It challenges our understanding of life and death, proving that nature is far more complex and miraculous than we could ever comprehend. So, the next time you see a jellyfish, remember, you might be looking at an immortal being, a creature that has unlocked the secret to eternal life and is living proof that in the natural world, the impossible can become possible. In the face of the immortal jellyfish, death becomes an option, not a certainty. Next up, an animal that's a master of disguise, the mimic octopus. The mimic octopus, scientifically known as Thaumoctopus mimicus, is a creature that takes the art of impersonation to a whole new level. This fascinating creature is the ultimate illusionist, capable of not only changing its color, but also imitating the physical likeness and movements of more than 15 different species. Yes, you heard it right, more than 15. Now you might wonder, why would an octopus need to mimic other creatures? The answer lies in its habitat and survival mechanism. The mimic octopus is a resident of the tropical seas of Southeast Asia, specifically the shallow, murky waters off the coasts of Indonesia and Malaysia. In these waters, danger lurks behind every coral and seaweed, with predators ready to turn this octopus into a quick snack. But the mimic octopus has a trick up its 8 sleeves. It doesn't just hide or flee from danger, it becomes the danger. By mimicking venomous species like the lionfish, sea snakes, and even the deadly soulfish, it tricks its predators into thinking it's a threat. It's a brilliant strategy, don't you think? But there's more to this master of disguise. The mimic octopus doesn't just use its mimicry for defense, it's also a cunning hunter, using its ability to change shape to sneak up on unsuspecting prey, often taking on the appearance of harmless creatures to get close to its next meal. And here's a fun fact. The mimic octopus was only discovered in the late 90s, making it a relatively new addition to the marine biology books. Its unique ability to take on the form and behavior of multiple species sets it apart from other octopuses, making it a true marvel of nature. So the next time you think of a master of disguise, forget about secret agents and superheroes. Think about the mimic octopus, the ultimate shapeshifter of the sea. It's an extraordinary example of nature's creativity and adaptability, showing us that sometimes the best way to survive is to become someone else entirely. The mimic octopus, the ultimate shapeshifter of the sea. Moving on to the land, here's a bird that can mimic almost any sound it hears. The lyrebird. The lyrebird is a creature of many voices, a feathered virtuoso with the ability to mimic an astonishing variety of sounds. Found primarily in the rainforest of Australia, the lyrebird is named for the shape of the male's spectacular tail feathers, reminiscent of a lyre, an ancient musical instrument. But it's not only about the looks. Their real claim to fame lies in their vocal cords. The lyrebird's repertoire is mind-boggling. It can reproduce the complex songs of other birds, the rustle of leaves, the trickle of a creek, even the menacing growl of a predator. But the lyrebird doesn't stop at nature sounds. It can also mimic man-made noises with uncanny accuracy. Imagine a bird that can sound like a chainsaw, a car alarm, or a camera shutter. That's the lyrebird for you. Now you might be wondering why a bird would need such an extensive range of sounds. The answer lies in its mating rituals. It's the male lyrebird that does all the singing and dancing. During the mating season, he builds a mound of dirt and leaf litter and starts his performance. He fans out his ornate tail feathers and begins to sing, combining his own song with a medley of mimicked sounds. This performance is not only to attract a mate but also to scare off rivals. The more diverse and complex his song, the more attractive he is to the female lyrebird. The lyrebird's ability to mimic is not just a fascinating spectacle, it's also a testament to its intelligence. It takes a great deal of cognitive ability to accurately reproduce the wide variety of sounds the lyrebird hears in its environment. Researchers believe this capacity for mimicry could be a sign of a high level of awareness and understanding. The lyrebird, a living, breathing, singing testament to the wonder of nature. From immortal jellyfish to mimicking masters, nature never ceases to amaze us with its extraordinary creatures. Today, we've taken a journey through some of the most unique corners of the animal kingdom, reminding ourselves of the marvels that exist in our world. We began with the mysterious creatures among us, those that hide in plain sight yet carry stories of survival, evolution, and adaptation. These animals, though often overlooked, are a testament to the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Then we dove beneath the waves to meet the immortal jellyfish, a creature that defies our understanding of mortality. By reverting to its juvenile state after reproducing, this jellyfish has achieved what may be the closest thing to eternal life in the natural world. Next, we encountered the mimic octopus, an underwater chameleon with an uncanny ability to impersonate other sea creatures. This master of disguise uses its mimicry as a survival strategy, showing us that in nature, creativity can be a matter of life and death. Finally, we met the lyrebird, nature's best impersonator. This bird can mimic the sounds of not only other birds, but also chainsaws, car alarms, and camera shutters. The lyrebird's repertoire is a striking example of how animals adapt to the changing soundscape of their environment. Each of these creatures, in their own unique way, shows us the remarkable variety and adaptability of life. They remind us that our planet is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. If you've enjoyed this journey through the extraordinary animal kingdom, make sure to subscribe to ieef for more fascinating insights into the world around us. Remember, the more we learn about these creatures, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover.